Safety first. Get it again. Get it again. Get it again. Safety first. You ain't got to do it again with the glasses. Go. You need the glasses. I don't even know if I got it. Ow. Oh. Flip it up and hit it again.
Oh my god.
Hang on.
I think I bruised the rib.
Go
That was your
again.
hip, boy. Keep going.
Look what you're teaching my child.
Ouch. Nick, your turn.
Fuck yourself. I'm not retarded. You might be.
You're gonna go inside of it this time. Don't do it on that side.
Don't do it again, boy.
Or do it. Fuck, YouTube will pay.
Nah. YouTube won't pay you shit. Hit my head that time. I'm good.